Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to hide formula bar in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to hide the formula bar, so this is the formula bar. Okay, and now you want to hide it. If you click in any cell where you have used formula, you will see the formula here. Okay, now if you want to hide that formula bar, what you have to do? There are two ways by which you can easily hide it. First, when you go to page layout, then you will see here formula bar option. Okay, tick option. But if you are not seeing it here, what you have to do, you have to just go to view, and then here you will see in here. Okay, you will see formula bar option. Just if you uncheck it, you will see formula bar is hidden. So like this you can hide formula bar in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.